Hey guys, today's item shop is pretty cool. A lot of people like this. LOSERFRUIT is right here. So you could go for the bundle, just right here. Once again, if you are watching this just in case to see what you could win, I'm sorry, but bundles are not a gift option. It even tells you down here below, this item cannot be gifted. So that only goes with bundles. However, the skin itself, we can buy as gift. So if you win one of the giveaways and you go for one of the skins, you guys could choose this skin right here. Now this is another emote that just popped up. It's pretty cheap, so 300, most people will get this. And then we have our basics. So here we always have this promo. Then right here we have this skin that came out as well in the item shop. We've seen it a couple times. We've seen that skin as well. And there we go with whiteout. Also seen this a couple times throughout the year. And this guy right here. And then we got some harvesting tools. Just this guy right here, and some of the emotes, which is, this one's one of my favorites and only 200 V-Bucks. So right now I would get it for you guys because it's not going any cheaper than that. And we also have Spring Loaded, which is at 500, which is an okay price for an emote. Anyways, that would be it for this item shop, guys. That's all we got right here available right now for you to purchase. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. And don't forget, subscribe and rate. Thank you.